Here's a quick tutorial video on how to change either the fog light bulbs or the parking light side light bulbs on a Porsche 987 Cayman or Boxster. Now it's a super easy job. You only need a Phillips screwdriver, and you don't even need this one, but a plastic removal tool will help ensure you don't break the clips, because some of them, particularly these ones, are very easy to break. Now, I've gone for some LED bulbs which have just arrived today rather than the halogen bulbs. So we'll get these out and we're going to get them fitted to the car. As you can see, they will be going in this sort here. I did have the LEDs already, but like they always do, they break after about a year. So if you are getting them, I got mine from eBay. I'd recommend just get a set of 4. It's going to last you because they're going to break. So the method I tend to go for is brute force, but you want to pull from about here-ish. I see some people going in with plastic clips, you know, the plastic removal tools, but I wouldn't bother. Bit of force on here. If you pull towards yourself, you should get a pop somewhere, like that. So now the main bit's out. This bit we want to leave till last, because like I say, that's the bit that gets stuck. So now it's popped out in the middle. You want to pop out these extra clips at the top. Again, just a bit of force. You can see that one just slid straight out. And then as we get to the end, you don't want to brute force pull these, because that's where it'll break. So this is where a plastic removal tool helps, because you can see the clips get very brittle there. Whereas if you force this in and push down at the same time, it should pop straight out without damaging it. And same on the underside. Slide it into the slot and it should help come out just like that. Perfect. So you can see the clips on the other side. They're your 2 that easily get damaged. You got one at the top there, another one there, and there's your one at the bottom. Next job is to remove the 3 Phillips screws, 1, 2, and 3. Ignore this one, that's for adjusting the angle of the fog light. So with the magic film, we will jump ahead to me having removed all 3 clips. So now we've got those out, the fog light will just pull out, and you can see this is where your fog light bulb would be replaced, but we're not doing that today. Your side light parking bulb is this one just here, and lefty loosey, righty tighty, turn it 45 degrees, and it should, depending on how old they are, slide out with a bit of effort. And there we have it. So push in and turn anti-clockwise to remove the bulb. Now this is the old bulb, and I, for a set of 2, paid about £16 from Design 911. I wouldn't bother. Just buy some cheap ones from eBay. Like I say, these are cheap anyway. These are from China. They're no better than the other ones. You can see my new one just here. Hopefully it lasts a bit longer, but this time around I bought a set of 4. I do not think there's a better way. If you want LED, I don't think there's a good solution. They're all cheap and they're all going to break after a year. But if you want LED, that's the price you pay. If you are changing halogen instead, do not touch the new bulbs when you're putting them in. You want to have a set of gloves ready. But for me, I'm going with the LED, so opposite to install. I'm going to line the pins up, and this time around it should fit, because the first bulbs I bought didn't fit. Slide it in, twist it back to the right, should fit nice and snug and not want to come out. And then opposite for the install, 2 of the slots are bigger and 2 are smaller, so you just want to make sure you line it up correctly, like so. And again, it might be a bit of a tight squeeze depending on how old your fog lights are, and then again twist it back 45 degrees so they're nice and snug. You want to slide it back in, roughly align it up, and then tighten the 3 screws, but I'd tighten a little bit of all 3, make sure they're aligned up before you finish the job. And we'll be back once we've got those in. Now onto the last step. To be honest, I know these work because I've just checked them, but you want to check them. Put your key in ignition, get them on, and make sure they light up. I can try it by unlocking. And you can see, there you go. Obviously the fog light's lit up, you'll not be able to see this, but the LED is in there, lit up, nice, bright and white. So that's going to be on now, blinding us for the rest of it. But the last step is to slot this back in. Now you want to start sliding this end just in there, and then from there you can pretty much just go hell for leather and smash it all back into place. You've got the two there, one in the top left, one in the top right, and then one at the bottom. Just double check it. Job's a good one. Now we've finished the job, you can see what they look like. That's just the side light parking lights on, you can see lovely bright LEDs. So if this video was helpful, please drop a like, it would be much appreciated, and any comments, drop them down below. Thank you very much.